So you want to clip your insane gaming moments, but don't know how? Well, I got you. Don't forget to subscribe. Go to medaltv. Click on the download box. Open it. Let's go through the settings. Preview on what the clips should look like. Option number 2. Type OBS download. Select your OS. After install, carefully follow me.
What did you ever mean? How can they say that this is love when it goes like this? We'll get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and lie on the backseat.
Enable this. Carefully follow me.
I want the world in my hands. I hate the I stand in California with my toes in the sand. Use the sleeves of my sweater. Let's have an adventure. Head in the
Preview on what the clips should look like.
Touch my neck and I'll touch yours. You and those little high-waisted shoes. 'Cause it's too cold. And now so let me hold your hands in the holes in the
Okay, and that is it. Thanks to everyone that has watched this video, including Infection on VR. I hope everyone was able to find this video helpful and was able to clip their gameplay. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. PS, this took me 5 hours to edit, so I hope the algorithm doesn't do me dirty. LOL. Peace.